On April 24th, the Be the Light event was scheduled to honor the class of 2020.
This event would consist of turning on the stadium lights for 20 minutes and allowing seniors to honk and drive by. Unfortunately, the event has been postponed due to growing concerns about COVID-19 in our area. There is still intention to hold this event in the future, but recently the staff of HMHS decided to show their appreciation for the class of 2020 in a different way. As a surprise from the HMHS staff, signs were put up in the yards of Holbrook Middle High School seniors in order to commemorate them for everything they've done for the school. In a written interview with Mrs. Clawher, she addressed the class of 2020 saying, "This time we are going through right now is so different from anything we've had to deal with in the past. What is not different are the amazing students who have added so much to the culture and fiber of our school. The class of 2020 is the true definition of Bulldog pride. Throughout the years from JFK to the South School, to our transition from Holbrook Junior Senior High School to Holbrook Middle High School, your class is led with laughter, respect, dedication, and creativity. You are all amazing and will continue to do great things as you continue with whatever goals you have as you leave HMHS." But for now, this has been Vincent Tran with Koblu News.